Right, guys, nearly at the end. Okay, and we're dealing with now investments. Two types of investments. The most typical time you'll see these is when you retire. So yes, it's close to me. I've got a few years left, but I've got to start thinking about it now. All right, the two are this side, annuities, perpetuities. Okay, you need to know the difference. They are both investments. So, example, you retire, you've got some money saved up over the years, you invest it in the bank or in wherever, and they will pay interest on that because it's your money, and they will give that money back to you over a period of time. All right? Okay, two differences. Annuities. Annuities, they pay it back to you, but you end up with nothing at the end. So they pay the whole lot back to you. It's like a loan, a reducing balance loan, but in reverse. Okay? You end up with the bank owing you nothing at the end of it. The positive about that is the payments are bigger. Okay? Just remember, the payments are bigger. But you've got nothing at the end of it. A perpetuity, in English, perpetual, that means it's ongoing, continues, keeps continuing. So, it's like an interest-only loan, but in reverse. You invest $50,000, the bank will pay you the interest, but you leave the $50,000 in there forever. Okay? So, interest is paid, but at the end of it, you end up with the original lump of money. So, of course, all kids, when they're parents, all kids hope that their parents have invested in a perpetuity because that means they get hold of the original amount of money left to them. I don't mind do. Who said that? Anyway, okay, here's an example of a retirement thing. Retire at 65 years old, and over the years you've built up $1 million. Okay, so retire at 65, you've got $1 million to invest at 2% per annum, paid fortnightly until you're 90 years old. Okay, so start at 65, end up at 90. How much do we have per week? How much are we going to get? Okay, let's have a look. We'll do an annuity first. Okay, we've got the interest going through this was 2%. PV was $1 million. Sounds like a lot. Is it positive or negative? It's my money, but where is the money? It's in the bank. So it is negative. Remember that. Investments are negative PV. All right, payment is what we're trying to find out. FV, now remember, it's an annuity, so there's zero money left. PPY, it's paid fortnightly, so that means 26 payments per week for those two. N, all right, N, 90 to 65, that's 25 years. 26 payments, so 25 by 26 equals 300. All right, enter that in your calculator. What do you get? You get a nice number, which is 3734.0047, so 0.00. That's a positive. Why is it positive? Because the bank is paying me and it's going into my pocket. Beautiful. So I'm getting $3,734 per fortnight. Every 2 weeks. That's nice. All right, wish I had that. For not working. All those years of hard work are paid off. Okay. Downside of that is, I turn 90, let's say I live to 95. What happens? I've got 5 years and no money coming in. Uh-oh. Have to plan for it. Okay. Perpetuities, on the other hand. Okay, same deal. We're planning until we're 90. So, we can do this. There's 300 payments. We could do 300 if you want. Remember what we said about interest-only loans? You could do one. So let's make it one. We'll prove it. Put it as 300 first. Interest, same, 2%. PV, negative $1 million. Payments, you've got to work out. FV is now, what did we say with FV? It was the negative of the PV for perpetuities or interest-only loans. So that means at the end of it, that $1 million is going to come back to us, Payments per year, same, 26. Now, I'll just change that on my CASMA calculator. Tab, delete the payment, tab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and tab around back to payment. So I'm not going to show you, it's a bit hard to see. Okay, enter. Each payment per fortnight is $769.23. So you can see there's a big difference there. $3,734 per fortnight, $769 per fortnight. But I've got $1 million left here. I've got nothing left here. If I get to 90 and I'm still kicking, I can then up my payments if I change it into an annuity, because I can set up for another 10 years. I can get a lot more money for those last 10 years. I can live like a king or a queen, whichever suits. All right, I said we'd just check what happens up here. Go back to CAS, and let's go up to the N. If we delete that and make that 1, okay, number of payments is 1. Change it to 1, and tab, back to payments, delete that, enter, surprise, surprise, it ends up at $769, okay? Because you know the payments are going to be the same for every single fortnight in this case, or week in this case. Oh, I've written the question wrong, I just realised, paid fortnightly, how much do I end up with each week? That should be fortnight, okay? Sorry about that, hopefully you picked that up. Fortnight. Oh, I think you've had enough of my videos. See you soon.